big breath.
Mommy, let's do it then.
Let him suck on the... Just lick it off. Don't bite it. Just lick it. Good job.
He's like, I like this birthday stuff. Don't bite it. No, don't bite it. Let go. You're goofy.
It's lovely.
Okay, there you go. There's your cupcake.
That's lovely.
Eat it.
That's lovely.
Don't eat the paper, though.
Good job.
I'm lovely.
You're eating like a big boy.
I love you.